Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
Boiling point questions get easy fast when you compare intermolecular forces, not random facts. And this one cleanly points to why HCN beats N2. The boiling point of a substance depends on how strongly its molecules attract each other, because stronger intermolecular forces make molecules harder to separate, so more energy is needed to boil. HCN and N2 have similar small sizes, so just counting atoms does not explain the big boiling point gap, and bond strength inside a molecule is not boiling. However, HCN is a polar molecule, while N2 is nonpolar, so HCN has stronger dipole attractions between molecules, which raises its boiling point more. Well done, option B. Scan now. Avoid rushing past signs. Trust the given comparison and check which intermolecular force difference actually explains boiling point.